This is Mutesi Rose, a student of Bishop Stewart University, reg number 23, BSU, BBA 3395. I'm going to do a question on QuickBooks Alternate, but my question reads, the Accounts Department of Mark Traders Company Limited deals in used and new motorcycles and their spare parts. Part A, using QuickBooks Alternate accounting software, create a company in the names of Mark Traders Company Limited, whose reporting currency is UGX. But here I'm going to use QuickBooks in attempting this number. Now, I'm going to first create my company. I'll go here, detailed start. I click there. From here, I'm going to enter the company name, which is Mark Traders Company Limited. From there, I'm going to put the street address. The street address is PO Box PO Box 234 Mbarara. Then the city, here the city is Mbarara. Then from the city I'll go to the country. We don't have a country here, we're going to select others. Here the email address, our email address is Mark it's Mark at Africa online .co.ug. Then from here I'm going to place next. Then from here I'm going to select automotive sales or repair. Then I place next. I go to next. Then here I'm going to select sole proprietorship. Then next. Here I'm going to put the fiscal year. Now from here I'm going to place next. Now I'm going to save it on the desktop. Then here I open, I save. Then here I will again place next. From next I have to place here where they're saying both services and products. Then from there I'm going to place next, 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 next. Now from here I'm going to, they are saying, do you want to track the inventory in QuickBooks? Automatically yes. Then from yes I'm going to go the next step, next, next. Now here on the employees we are going to click here where we have W2. Then from there I'm going to place next, next. Then from here we are going to select here from 1st January 2025. From here I'm going to place next. So I'm going to go to get set up. Now I'm going to click here, start working. Now I'm going to edit C to change our currencies to UGX. Now I'm going to select multi-currencies. From here then I will go company preferences. Here I will tick yes. Again yes. I go to more currencies. Then here to Uganda shillings. Then here I will make it active. Here I'll go to yes. Then I place OK. OK. From here I'm going to place yes. Now I'm going to click here on edit C to remove warnings, then to preferences. Then from preferences I'm clicking here on accounting. From accounting company preferences I click here. Then here, then I place OK. Now I'm done with the first part. Now I'm going to part B of the question, which reads, the company operates a bank account number 950011 in Centenary Bank and also operates a petty cash book. I will click here on my QuickBooks. Then here I click on chart of accounts. Then here I go to account. I click on new. I'll go here to bank. Then I continue. I click here. Here I'm going to put there my Centenary Bank. Here I'm going to put our account number, which is 950011. Then I go to save and new. Then here I'm going to put there account name, which is petty cash. Then from petty cash I'm going to save and close. Then I go to home. I'm done with part B of the question. Now let me go to part C. And it reads, the company's customers and their balances are as at 1st January 2023, and we as follows. Customer name, we have Kamu Traders, Upit Dan, Munene Auto Dealers. Then here I go to QuickBooks. From QuickBooks, I'll click here on customers. Here I'll go to new customers. Now here I'm going to enter the customer name. Our first customer is Kamudan. Our first trader is Kamu Traders. Kamu Traders, the opening balance is 3 million. Then here I'm going to put the date. The date is 1st Jan 2023. Then from the date, I'm going to place OK. Then I put another customer. I place new customer. Then here I'm going to put the second customer, Opita. Opita Dan. Opita Dan, here the date. January 2023. Then here another customer, we're going to put another new customer. Munene. Munene Dealers. Here the opening balance of Munene, we have 1 million. Then from putting there the amount, I will go to the date. Our date is 1st Jan 2023. Then I'm going to put another customer. We click on new. Our other customer is Glass. Motor spares. Then here I put the balances. We have 800. I'm going to put the date. Our date is 1st January 2023. Then from there, I'm going to go back home. And those are vendors. I'm going to start with the new vendor. Our new vendor, we have Camera Sisters as our new vendors. The opening balance is 1.7. The date is 1st Jan. Now we are going to add the second vendor, and the second vendor we have Masaka. Traders. Their opening balance is 1.5. Then their opening date is 1st Jan 2023. From there I'm going to add the last vendor, and our last vendor is Madra Importers. Now I'm done with our company suppliers. I'm going to click here on home. Now I'm done with part D. I'm going to part E of the question, which reads: the inventory items were as follows as at 1st January 2023. Then we have motorcycles, generators, oil, servicing. Then from there I'll go to QuickBooks. From QuickBooks I'll click here on inventory activities. Then I'll go here directly on new inventory. I place on inventory item. Then I select inventory part, the cycle. So here I'm going to put motorcycles. To enable then single, here I'm going to select count each. Then here I select here. Then the description, on the description I'll put the code. is IV001. Here I'm going to put the cost. Our cost price is 4 million. Then our selling price 4.8 million. Then here I'm going to put the sales. Here I'm going on hand, so I'm going to put the quantity, and our quantity is 8. After putting the first inventory item, I'm going to add another one. Go to new item, to inventory part. Then I'm going to put another item, which are generators. Units of measure, press here. The description, I am going to put there the code, which is IV02. No. Yeah, the description is IV the cost is 2.7. The selling price is 3.5. Then income account, I'm going to put the sales. Then here I go to on hand, which is our quantity. Our quantity is 6. Then I'm going to add another inventory item. I click on new inventory part, to item. So, and we have oils. Units of measure, I will add. Then I click here on volume, then to liter. Then on description, we have IV 003. Here the cost is 10,000 shilling. The selling price is 16,000. Then here I go on sales. Then here I'm going to put the quantity, which is in liters, 10. Then here I click here, I go to sales. Then lastly, I'm going to add the last inventory item. I click on new inventory, then I place on inventory part. Then here I will click on service, the item name, servicing, the description. Our description is IV 004, the rate, our rate is 30,000. Then I'll click on new. Then our account name is servicing. Then I go back to home. Now we have our additional information. On 2nd Jan, deposited 40 into the bank. So from there I go to our QuickBooks. From QuickBooks we're going to chart of accounts. From there I'll go to general journal. I click on OK. Here I'm going to change the dates. Our date is 2nd. The date is 2nd January 2023. Then here the account. Our account is in Centenary Bank. We are going to debit it with 40 million. Credit is with Centenary Bank. I'm going to credit capital account. Then press new. Then I go to continue. Here our new account is capital account. Then here I'll save and close. Save and new. Then I go back to here and I read the second part. On 3rd January, withdrew shillings 10 million from the bank for business use. Then I go to QuickBooks. I will first put the date, 3rd. Then on account, I will go to petty cash. I credit it to is 10 million. Here on this part, we are going to credit Centenary Bank with 10 million. Then I click on save and new. Then I go back to our question. On 3rd, obtained a 5-year bank loan worth 100 million at 14% per annum. I go back to our QuickBooks. Still it is on 3rd. Bank loan. Here I will debit capital. Here I will debit Centenary Bank with 100 million. Then here I will go to add new. Then I click on loan. Then I continue. Then our new account name is loan. Then here I will save and close. On 4th January, sold 5 motorcycles and 3 generators, and the cash was banked immediately. Then here I go back to home. Then here I will get sales and receipts. Here I will change our date to 1st. Then here I will go to cash, to item. Then here I will select motorcycles. Our quantity is 5. Our second item, we have the generators, and the quantity for generators we have 3. From there I will save and close. Then I record deposits. After checking the date, I'll come here to OK. Then I click save and close. Then I go back to number 5, which reads, on 6th Jan, bought 100 liters of engine oil. Then I go back to our QuickBooks to purchase orders. Here I'll put the vendor's name, and our vendor is Madra Importers. We are going to put the items, and our items we have oils. Here the quantity we are having 100. The date is 6th. Then from there I will save and close. Then from there I will go to receive inventory. Receive inventory is bills. Then I put the vendor name, and our vendor name is Madra Importers. I press yes. I tick the date. Then I press OK. Then from there, save and close. Then on 7th Jan, bought 8 motorcycles by check from Cavalry Sisters Limited and made a half payment. So I go to our QuickBooks to go to purchase orders. Our vendor name, Cavalry Sisters. Then here I'm only changing the date to 7th. the item motorcycles. We bought 8 motorcycles. Then from there I'm going to click save and close. Then here I go back to receive inventory, receive entry with bills, then the vendor name, cover the sisters, then I press yes, I tick the date here, then I press OK. Then from there I will save and close. Now here a half payment was made to cover the sisters, so I will click pay bills. Here I select cover the sisters, and here I'm going to put 16. Then I select pay. After here transaction, then on 10th January, so 10 liters of engine oil and serviced 5 generators. We go back to our QuickBooks. Then here I go to done. From there I'll get sales receipt. Here I'm going to change the date from 7th to 10th. I go here on cash, the item, our quantity is 10. Let's click on servicing, our quantity is 5. I will save and close. Then from there I will record deposits. From there I will tick here on tens. After ticking I will press OK. And payments were deposited to Centenary Bank. Now here on payments were made to cash account. Then from there I will save and close. Then OK. Save and close. I'm going to another item. On 11th January, sold 6 of the motorcycles and 2 generators of cash to Mona Auto Dealers at 2%. Then from there I'll go back to our QuickBooks. I'll create invoices. Here I'm going to change our date to 11th. Then here on our quantity we have 6. Then here we are going to select our 6 motorcycles. Then here we have 2. We have our generators here. Then here we are going to add Mona. We place here on add new. click on save and close. Then from there I'll receive payments. And our payments were received from Muna. I click on cash. I'll tick here the date. After ticking the date, I'll press yes. From there I'll click here on save and close. Then I'll record my deposits. I'll tick the dates here on 11th. Then here OK. Again I will save and close. Then here I'm going back to our question. It reads, on 12th Jan cleared Masaka Traders debt by cash. Then I got our QuickBooks. Then from there I'll go to pay bills. I will select Masaka Traders. Then here on account I will select cash, not bank. I press OK. Here I'm going to put 12th January. Then I pay the selected bills. After paying, I'll press here on done. On 25th January, salary worth shillings 300 and 200 was paid cash to Amanda and Katate respectively. Then from there you go back to our QuickBooks. I place here and salaries were paid on 25th of January 2023. Then from adding the date, go directly to add new. I click on expenses. After that I'll say continue. Then the account name is salary. Then I save and close. I'm going to debit it with 300,000. Then here I put 200,000. Then here I'm going to add new employee. Then after I click OK. The employee name is Amanda. After adding Amanda, I'll go directly to OK. Then I press here. Then here I will add new employee. I press OK. Then I add another employee who is Katate. After adding him, I'll press OK. I place here. I put my cash here. Then from there, I'll save and close. Then I go back to our question. UGX 500 was withdrawn from Centenary Bank for private use. I go to our QuickBooks. From there, I'll select banking. Then here, transfer funds. From there, I'll transfer funds from Centenary. I'll transfer funds from Centenary Bank. I'll add new. Then here I'll go to drawings. I press continue. Then save and close. $500,000. Then I'll save and close. Another question, bought a computer for office use at UGX 2 million. Then we go to our QuickBooks. I click here on purchase orders. On vendor name, I will add our new vendor name. And my vendor name is Amanya. After adding Amanya, who is our vendor name, I'll go to OK. Then here, I'll go to item. I'll add our new item. And our item is a fixed asset. And our asset name is a computer. Asset account. Then I'll add new computer. Then save and close. Our description is for office. Then our cost, 2 million. Then from there, I'll put OK. Then I'll save and close. From there, we are going to receive inventory. Receive inventory with bills. Our vendor is Armania. Then I'll place yes. Here I'll tick the date that I've used. Then I'll go to OK. From there I'll save and close. Finally, I'm going to show you my profit and loss account. Then I go to reports. Here company and finance show. Then here profit and loss. Then here I'll select all. My net income is 10,994,000 shillings. Now my next report, I'll go here on company and finance. Then here on balance sheet standard. Now here my balance sheet is balancing with 219,494,000. Thanks for listening to my YouTube video. I remain Mutesi Rose, a Bishop Stewart student. I wish you well.